Dear viewers, today I want to share a fantastic video. Though this is a very common topics, after that I think this is very essential for you. Most of the peoples actually need these functional key functions because this is very essential for our daily life. Some cases we can not do any good things with the computer. Sometimes we have to do well in some. We have to press lots of button as well. So that's why if we need these functions of functional key of computer, so easily we can solve lots of problem. So viewers, if you like, so please subscribe me and share, and definitely you just support me, okay, so that I can able to give you more and more nice and fantastic video later on. Okay, for your encouragement I need your support. So viewers, what is the functions of F1 key? That means functional one key. Well, this functional key actually easy to get from the Microsoft Word document. Suppose if you want to be open a file, after opening the file, then you are just having some problem. And if you want to solve this problem, so definitely you will press the F1 key and easily you will get the help from the Windows. And according to the problem, you will just take help from the problem. And this key actually helps you to solve the problem from Microsoft Word document. Okay, so when you press the F1 key, so see these types of windows will open, and here you will write your problem, and then the windows will help you according to your problem. So this is very easy, you can try it. Okay, now I want to talk about the functional key number 2. This functional key is very useful for us. Okay, so if you want to rename any folders, okay, so that time you will press F2 button, and in front of you the folder name will change option down. Okay, so this change option easily you can change it, and you can give another name of your folder. Okay, so suppose after pressing the suppose this file name if you want to change, so press F2 button, and then this portion will be changed, and you want to, if you want to give you another name, so you can give it according to your wish. Okay, so this is F2 button, so press it and get that opportunity to change instantly. Now I want to see you about the other important functional key, that is F3. This functional key is used to search any word or any letter in the browsers. Okay, in this case, you have to go to the menu bar and press 3. Then the word, or you can change the any word or any letter. Suppose if you want to do this, you have to go to the internet, and what words or what letter actually you are searching, type it, and you will see all the desirable button, desirable word or desirable letters, it will indicate in front of you. Okay, so let's see. So this is the example of a Windows or a web page. So here, see, when you press F3, so that time these types of window will open, and suppose I just press mouse, so here you see all the mouse option is appear here, and it just recognize to open all the functions and all the things. Okay, so this is very easy things. Now I want to talk about the another essential functional key, that is F4. Okay, so this F4 functional key also very useful for us. Suppose if we want to exit any windows or any places, so we will actually press the cross option. So in this case, use to, if you want to come or exit from any windows or any web page or any website, so you will just press Alt plus F4. Then you will see you will instantly come out or instantly just exit from the web page. Okay. Suppose, so this is a website page. So if you press here Alt plus F4, so definitely you will come out from the page. Okay, so this is very easy, and you can do it in your wish. Okay, so this is another important functional key. This is F5. This functional key is used to give refresh or of any window, okay, or any browsers. So suppose when we open the computer, so that time in habitually we just give the refresh, we just press the refreshment button, but this time you don't need to press any refreshment button or click any refreshment button. You just press F5, so you will see your computer will be refreshed. In this refreshment activity you can do in the website also. And you know, if you give the refreshment button a refresh computer, your computer will be smooth, sound, and more active and speedy. Okay, so see, uh, these types of window, you know, this is our monitor. Okay, so this monitor in the front page, if you press it F5, so your screen will be refreshed instantly. Okay. Now another important key, that is F6. This important key you also use in different purposes, like it will select the any browsers so that you can write new link. Suppose if you want to write a new link, so that time you have to erase it the new link and then you have to write. But in this F6 key, no need to erase, just you select it and then start to write your link. And when you start to write your link, you just take your link instantly without any erase option. Automatically, this F6 button take the erase option and take your link as well. Suppose this is a website page. I have written here how to just see this upper portion of the key. There is the link. So when you press the F6 button, so that the total portion will just pop, edit it, and then it will come to easily. You will edit the link and you can enter your own link. Okay, so this is also very important things. Now, our another very important and essential functional key, that is F7 key. So this functional key is used to select any spelling or grammatical mistakes in the Word documents. Okay, sometimes when you type anything or just to compose any para or in draft anything, so we make mistakes, some cases spelling, some cases grammatical mistakes. So this important key, when you press it, so it will give you the some suggestion about the spelling or some suggestion about the grammatical mistakes. Okay, and take this suggestion or grammatical mistakes. If you think it is might be wrong or it is not actually surely correct, so easily you can give this correction. So see, this is a Windows button. When you write some example, so when you press F7 button, so these types of correction things will come. Like this is remember. The spelling is what? R-E-M-E-M. R-E-M-E-M. Remember. Okay. So here is given the correction one. Okay. So by this way, uh, you will get the correction of spelling and other things, correction of the grammatical mistakes. Okay. Now the next functional key is 8, functional key F8. So this functional key also used to open the save option or save option to your PC. If you want to keep your PC in save mode, or you don't want to open the all functions. Sometimes our PC has lots of software, lots of functions. So actually we don't want to open all the functions. So what functions you need, what function is your essential or desirable, that function if you want to open and keep remaining active, so definitely you use F8. This F8 functions key help you to open only that software. That software is actually need to do all kinds of work properly. Okay, so this F8 functional key makes your computer speedy, and definitely it also save the power. And your computer, if you want to give rest, or if you want to give the computer sound and active, so definitely you can do these things. Okay, now another functional key, that is F9. This is very important actually. This is general people, general user cannot use it, only the software engineer, or they want to do the IGE, generally that people are using this F9 key. Now, another very sophisticated functional key, that is F10. This function key is used to open the menu option of the Microsoft document. Okay, like if you want to take a Microsoft document Word, so that time if you want to select the what is the menu bar's name. So if you press the F10, you will see the different options of menu bar. Let's see. See, when you press the menu bar option, so you will see these are home, H, then insert N, then play, layout P, then reference S, mailing, review, and view. Okay, so these all are actually appear like these were, and easily you can get your functions according to your need. So students, another next functional key, that is functional key number 11. This functional key also very useful, and you used to do the skin full skin. Okay, skin full if you want to do that, especially this uh, optional P, you can do the Microsoft documents, or you can go to your online, so you can do it. Suppose if you go to website, and if you want to not kept in the menu bar or any task bar, so that time you can press it, the 11 one key, and you will see there will be no menu bar, or the computer will be full screen. Like the upper portion of the Gmail, there is some menu bar, taskbar, and there is also some menu bar. So if you press it F11, so you will get, there will be no other things. Only what things you want to see, or what things you want to perform or actively. So that things will appear here. Okay. Now this is the number one number on the final functional key. This functional key is F12. This functional key is used to go to the save option menu. Then on the other hand, this F12 key is also used to open the Bangla of the keyboard. If you want to do the open the Bangla of keyboard, so that you can open a Microsoft Word documents, and then if you press it, you will get the Bangla option come to your. And if you want to open this save as, so you also press it, this F2 F12 button. So viewers, uh, just you do your work and to follow these things. I hope you will enjoy my video, and when you see and practice it, and I think you can apply in your daily basis life. In the end of the video, I just request to you, please follow my channel, share, like, subscribe, and uh, just comments my channel so that I can uh, makes my video more interactive, informative, and for your well-being. Okay, so bye bye all of you, and